This lesson is going to be on the NSLOOKUP utility. So from a command prompt in any version of Windows that's current from XP on up, you can type in NSLOOKUP, hit enter, and it will look up the IP address of the DNS server that does all your name resolution, and it'll tell you what that host resolves to. If you want to see what another domain will resolve to, you just type in at any domain. We'll type in yahoo.com. It will look at my DNS server and it comes back with 3 different addresses. Depending on which part of the country you're in, you will get yahoo.com at one of those 3 addresses. So anytime you have any other domain you'd like to look up, just go ahead and type it in, hit enter, and as you can see, Google responds with 6 addresses. When you're all done, you can type the exit command and you're out.